Good morning, students. Today we have to start the exercise 3G of factorization of polynomials of standard 9. Before starting this exercise, it will be necessary for us to learn two identities. First of all, I am going to discuss these two identities. Then I will solve some of the problems of exercise 3G. Let us start. The first identity, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z. Here the two factors of this expression. First will be multiplied by the second. The first term of first factor is x, and it will be multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z. Then the second term of the first factor, which is plus y, will be multiplied by x square, y square, z square minus xy minus yz minus z. Now the third term of the first factor plus z, it will be multiplied by the same x square, y square, z square minus xy minus yz minus z. On multiplying, we get x cube plus xy square plus xz square. X into xy, x square y, x into minus yz, this will give xyz, x into minus zx, we may write x square z. This will give y into x square, this will give x square y into y square, this will give y cube, y plus into z square, this will give yz square, y into xy, xy square, y into yz, minus y square z, y into zx, this will give minus xy. Again, x square into z, x square z, y square into z, y square z, z square into z. This will give z cube minus xy into plus z, that is minus xyz, z into yz, yz square, z into zx, x z square. When first we come here x cube, here y cube, and here z cube, we have to underline them so that I have used these terms will be kept in mind. Here x cube plus y cube plus z cube. The next minus xyz minus xyz minus xyz, 3xyz. This will give 3xy plus xy square will be cancelled by minus xy square plus xz square will be cancelled by xz square. This minus xz square will be cancelled by this xz square. Now minus xy square plus xy square minus x square z plus x square z plus yz square minus yz square plus yz square and minus yz square. Now y square z minus plus y square z. All rest of the terms are cancelled by each other, because when we get same as minus and plus, both will be cancelled. In this way, we are finding x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube y cube z cube minus 3xy. Before starting the exercise, it will be necessary for us to practice this identity. And when we are getting this result, we must have to memorize this result. Only then we may use this identity easily to solve the different problems of exercise 3G. Now the next identity, which is based on this. Suppose if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, this term will be equal to this, that is x plus y plus z into x square y square z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here in this identity we have taken x plus y plus z is equal to 0. When 0 will be multiplied by x square y square z square xy minus yz minus zx, we will get 0, and therefore x cube minus y plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0, and therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is the another identity, but this identity has a condition, that is x plus y plus z must be 0. Okay? After memorizing these two identities, what I have already discussed, you have to start solving the problems which are given in your video class. When you will practice these 5 problems, after that you have to start with the solved example. Thereafter you have to solve the exercise 3B. It will be easy for you to solve. Now I am going to start the first problem. The first problem is 3x minus 5y plus 4 into 9x square 25y square plus 15xy plus 20y minus 12x plus 16. It may be written as 3x minus 5y plus 4 square of 3x square of minus 5y square of 4. 16 is the square of 4. Then minus 3x minus 5y minus BC, that is minus 5y into 4 minus CX, that is 4 into 3x. Here a square of 3x, 9x square, square of minus 5y, 25y square, a square of 4, 16. 3 5 are 15xy, minus minus plus. 5 4 are 20, minus minus plus. 20y minus plus minus 4 3 are plus. This will give, this is of the form a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ad minus bc minus. That is, at the place of a we will take 3x, at the place of b we will take minus 5y, and at the place of c we will take 4. And this will give cube of 3x, cube of minus 5y, cube of 4 minus 3abc. 3 into 3x minus 5y into, and in this way 27x cube minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 125 y cube 64 3 3 are 9 5 are 45 and 4 are 180 minus minus plus x y. This will be the expanded, this will be the product of these two factors. This expression is obtained after finding the product of these two factors. In the next problem, we have to factorize 125a cube plus b cube plus 64c cube minus 60ab. We may write it, this is the cube of 5a, this is cube of b, and this is the cube of 4c. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. 4 4 are 16 and 16 4 are 64. Now we may write 3 into 5a into b into 4. This is a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3ab. We may write 5a plus b plus 4c. It is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And therefore it will be written as a plus b plus c. And this will be a square of 5a, a square of b, a square of 4c. Minus ab, that is 5a into b minus bc, b into 4c minus a, that is 4c into 5a. This will give 5a plus b plus 4c. 5 5 are 25a square, b square, 4 4 are 16c square, minus plus minus 5ab, 4bc, 4 5 are 20ca. Here we have factorized this expression to find the two factors, these two. Here we have multiplied these two factors to find this expression. Here we have to find the result after multiplying these two factors. Here we have to factorize the given expression. Both are on the same formula, but the process is reverse. Okay? Let us start with the third problem, which is 125 minus 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 90xy. Here, this is cube of 5. This is the cube of minus 2x, and this is the cube of minus 3y. And we may write 3 into 5 into minus 2x into minus 3y. Minus minus plus minus minus. Here it is minus. 3 5 the 15 to the 30, 3 the 19. Here 19. Now it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Then we have to follow the identity we have just discussed before. It will give 5 plus minus 2x plus minus 3y. Now a square, that is 5a square plus minus 2x square plus minus 3y square minus ab, that is 5 into minus 2x minus bc, that is minus 2x into minus 3y minus ca, that is minus 3y into 5. This will give 5 minus 2x minus 3y. This will give 5 5 25. 4x square. 3 3 9y square. Minus minus plus. minus minus plus 5 to the 10x, minus minus plus minus minus 2 3 the 6x, minus minus minus, here it is 5, minus minus plus 3 5 the 15y. And in this way we have factorized this expression to get these two factors. Let us come to solve the fourth problem, that is 2 root 2 a cube plus 3 root 3 b cube plus c cube minus 3 root 6 ab. This is the cube of root 2a, this is the cube of root 3b, and this is the cube of c, minus 3 into root 2a, root 3b into c. It is of the form a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3ab, c. Now we have to apply the identity which will give root 2a, root 3b plus c into a square of root 2a, a square of root 3b plus a square of c, minus ab, that is root 2a into root 3b, minus bc, root 3b into c, minus ca, that is c into root 2. This will give root 2a, root 3b plus c, 2a square, 3b square, c square, root 6ab, root 3bc, and root 2ca. This is the two factors. These are the two factors which are obtained after factorizing this expression. Now we have to solve the fifth problem, that is cube of a minus 2b plus cube of 3b minus c plus cube of c minus a. That is the fifth problem, cube of a minus 3b, 3b minus c cube plus c minus a. First we have to take it x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Say, that is we have just supposed. Therefore, x is equal to a minus 3b, y is equal to 3b minus c, and z is equal to c minus a. When we add on adding, when we add x plus y plus z will be c here, minus 3b plus 3b cancel, plus a, minus c plus c. This will give 0. And in the next identity, we have learned that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. Now we have to place the value of x, y and z here. Then we will get cube of a minus 3b, cube of 3b minus c, and cube of c minus a is equal to 3a minus 3b, 3b minus c, and c minus a. These are the factors which are obtained after factorizing this expression. Okay. First you have to learn these problems through the video. After that you have to solve the problems of the exercise. Okay. Thank you.